the
where
power button.
after so many minutes, it sensed what you were doing or whatever. If you were sitting too long, it would tell you.
Why does this say no battery X?
Yeah, I don't think any of the computers that I've used had that, but I mean, I can see how it would be useful.
Yeah.
Usually, my mom.
Is this recording?
So like her Fitbit vibrates when she's
Oops.
sitting for too long.
I think you're recording.
No, the power button, not the button on the top.
Oh,
The
where's
button
the...
on the top is for recording. The
Oh.
button on the side is for changing modes and turning it on and on.
Where is the button on the side?
On the side.
Power. Over here.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, well, I should stop recording. Why does it say no battery? Fedors.
What?
Why does it say no battery?
That's a really good question considering it's on.
Yeah, I know.
So obviously it
It
has
says
a
no
battery.
battery and it has an X on the battery.
That's very interesting.
Look at that.
Are you? Oh, you're recording right now.
Yeah, I know.
Interesting.
But did you see the no battery?
No.
Well, somebody get up and come over and look at the no battery.
My phone
This is
decided to
upsetting.
shut off
No bad.
for no reason, then came back on. So
Woo.